Rashad Beats from RashadBeats.com. Welcome to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And actually, in today's video, it won't be an actual tutorial. We actually are presenting a BeatNerd presentation on making beats called "What is the Beat Sandwich?" And you're probably sitting there thinking, like, what is he talking about? What is a beat sandwich? Like, what is what is a beat sandwich? So today in this presentation, we're going to be taking an intricate look on beat making by BeatNerd101 on actually the components of every single beat, also known as the beat sandwich. So let's go ahead and go to the next slide and we can explain further. So the beat sandwich consists of 4 components in a beat. Number 1, the main melody. Number 2, the counter melody or melodies. Number 3, the percussion patterns like your kick, snare, hi-hat, etc. And number 4, the mixing. Now let's look at the actual diagram of the beat sandwich. Now as you can see, this is an actual sandwich. So we have the bun. We got the top of the bread. We got the first loaf of bread, which is main melody, which is your first melody pattern. We got our lettuce, which is number 2, which is our counter melody. We got the percussion, which is our meats, whether it's our salami, bologna, ham, whatever you like. Which will consist of your snare, hi-hat, kick, 808, and etc. And number 4, we got the bottom of the loaf, which is mixing, equalization, compression, and leveling. Now the beat sandwich is basically a diagram on each component of the beat and everything that it consists of within that beat. So let's continue to the next slide and I can explain further. So let's listen to this example below. I have an actual video that I can play for you, so let's listen to it. Now in this example, I showed you the first part of the beat sandwich, which is our main melody. So we're talking about the top of the bread. Let's go to the next example. Example 2, counter melodies, aka multiple melodies or just one more melody. Let's listen to it. Now in this example, you can see that I have 3 extra melodies that complement the top melody at the top. So in our example 2, the counter melodies to count is 3. We have 1, 2, 3 counter melodies working. As you can see, the main melody is muted at the top, so you can just hear these. So that will be our lettuce in the beat sandwich. Let's continue. Example 3, percussion patterns. Let's listen to percussion. Excuse me if that's too loud, but so example 3 is the percussion patterns, and as you can see, this is all of our percussion loops all in one. We got our clap right there, as you can see, we got our hi-hat, we got our 808, our kick, and we have our extra snare. So this is the section of the beat which consists of our kick, snare, hi-hat, and etc. And that'll be, if I'm not mistaken, let me double check, that'll be the ham or the meats with the beat. That'll be our bologna. I said bologna, geez. That'll be our ham, bologna, or salami, whatever type of sandwich you like, that's where the meat is. So the percussion, aka number 3, is your snare, hi-hat, kick, 808, and etc. in your beat, in the beat sandwich. Okay, let's keep going. Let's go to percussion number 4. Or not percussion number 4, excuse me. Let's go to example 4, the mixing. Now I'm just going to give you a quick glance of the mixing. This is not too intuitive, but I just want to show you exactly how it works. So let's look at the example. You have your equalization right there, and this doesn't have any sound because I want you to focus on the actual things that's going on in the video. So as you can see, I'm just scrolling back and forth with my EQ, just showing you guys like how I tweaked it a little bit just to give it a certain feel. Though you can't hear it, this is only just a glimpse of the mixing. Mixing comes in different forms and different ways. I just wanted to show you guys exactly a little bit of what mixing will consist of, because it is the last piece of the beat sandwich, it is most likely or not most likely, it is the most important part of the beat sandwich, because you are mixing the beat finally to make sure it sounds clean and professional. So let's get down to the final beat, or the final example. Example 5, the full beat sandwich, all components of the instrumental. Let's listen to the whole beat now. Okay, only reason why I turned it down, or I closed it out early, because it was a little bit too loud. But as you can see, this is the full beat and the full components of the instrumental that we have. This is everything. We have our melodies, our kick, our 808, our snare, our claps, etc. We have everything. This is the complete beat sandwich, all components of the instrumental. Now let's go back. So conclusion, the beat sandwich is a diagram of the components of a beat in all its instruments. Number 1, the main melody. Number 2, the counter melody or melodies. Number 3, the percussion patterns. Number 4, the mixing. And as you can see on the diagram, as we broke down each and every last one, we got to the final stage of the beat sandwich, which is the full beat. And let's see. And that's all I have for you guys today, man. If you guys enjoyed this presentation, please leave a comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, if you are interested in getting the BeatNerd101 course, check out RashadBeats.com to purchase the BeatNerd101 course. We have over 10 videos that teach you how to make beats in FL Studio from start to finish. You can purchase the video training at www.rashadbeats.com/BeatNerd101. Sign up, and we will show you. And we have over 150 minutes of information on creating and crafting instrumentals, mixing tips, secret functions, and more. So check us out, man. Be on the lookout for more BeatNerd101 tutorials. And Rashad Beats, BeatNerd101.
Rashad.